Hello everyone and welcome to another Elliott Wave analysis. Today I want to talk about gold, right? So I want to update on gold. So I've previously published a gold, right? So that is actually on the 14th of March, right? So over here you can see that I talk about this gold breakdown trend line, right? Of course, there is this wave count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I have the ABC, and then I have this sub wave count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also. So over here, I proposed that, because this breakdown, right, there's a chance that because this is also a five wave, it could move up, back up to the trend line, right, before it comes down again. Okay. So I also thought that the retracement could be shallow, but, from here going back is not a lot. So it's also shallow. Now, what has happened since then, right? Okay. So over here, the breakdown, so it extended the fall a little bit more. And over here, you can see that it actually consolidates. So it's slightly consolidate, but slightly go up. Right. So over here, I believe this is a five wave, right? So one, two, three, four, and five. So then this actually itself is kind of like a triangle, right? So A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So over here you see that we have this kind of channel over here. Okay, so previously I talked about, if it goes back up to wave 4 here, right? In terms of risk reward is ideal, but I think we are not going there anymore, right? The reason is because it goes up here, almost touching the trend line, and then come back down, and we already have a five wave structure. Okay, then so over here I also want to shift this. Okay, so if you do it over here, okay, then let's go to the hourly again and look at this. Right, the target is don't change, so it's 4,841 for the first target, right? And then we have 4,402 for the next one, right? So this is wave A. So over here, then if you look at this as a B C D E, right? So let me just change this degree and the color, right? So this one will be my purple color, okay. So over here, then how do you trade this? Of course, you can, if you are a more conservative trader, right? You want to allow for a little bit more volatility. You can put your stop here, right? So it's 5,046, right? So for those more aggressive trader, right? For those who can take more risk, right? You actively monitor your trade. You can put it here, which is 5,030. Now, if you put it here, then how will you manage this trade? Is that if it goes up, right, then you wait for another reversal signal to enter this short. Okay, so then if you do that, then you will adjust your stop loss again to here, right above this high. Okay, that's if you re-enter anywhere here. Okay, if you are stop out here. Okay, so this one is slightly above this. Now, how can this happen, right? So here you see I have this move up, which is uh I will say this is a B, and then the C. C itself is five wave. Okay, so to make this even clearer over here, right? So what I'm talking about is actually this is A, B, and C. Ignore my degree and my coloring first, right? Because I just trying to show you how this A, B, C unfolds, right? So it will look like this, right? A, B, C, D, E, right? So that this A, B, and then the five wave for C. So this is then my ABC over here, right? So this one is on the count that if you really want to look into this a lower time frame kind of counting, right? I don't usually keep this count here, right? If not, the chart will look very cluttered. Okay, and just to maintain a clean count over here. Okay, so aggressive here, right? Eventually, you want to move it up here if you're stop out. Okay, so for now, I will take on the position that I won't be stop out here, right? So then this one becomes a more aggressive trade. Okay, over here. So this risk reward ratio, let's zoom out over here. Right, risk reward ratio, we are talking about let me see, about 8 to 1. Okay, sorry, reward to risk ratio 8 to 1. Right, so once again we have this shot here, right? And then over here, then you will go for the next target, which is 4,400. Okay, so that's it for this analysis on gold, and good luck. Thank you.